Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add Buy Now button in WooCommerce. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is just go ahead and open your WordPress. Once you've done that, click on the plugin section at the left side of your screen and click on the new plugin option or the add new plugin option. And once you've done that, just go ahead and search for buy now and then select the direct checkout plugin. Okay, I think it is the orange icon with direct checkout name or text in the icon, and just go ahead and install and activate the plugin. So to do this, just go ahead and click on the install button beside the plugin, and once it is done installing, you should see the activate button. Okay, so once you've activated the plugin, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the WooCommerce section at the left side of your screen, and now you should see a lot of options or switch. Okay, so what you need to do is just go ahead and find the cart page section and disable the switch for that one. And for the redirect custom URL, just go ahead and enable that. And once you've enabled the redirect custom URL, you need to add that's add your website or checkout page in the direct custom URL text box. Okay, so once you've done that, what you need to do is just go ahead and click on Save Changes. And that is how you add Buy Now button in WooCommerce. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.